Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious lemon cake. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for a perfect bake. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of whole milk. Don't forget half a cup of unsalted butter, 4 large eggs, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice. Finally, have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest ready. Now, let's get to mixing and baking. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and prepare a 9 by 13-inch baking pan by greasing and flouring it. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and granulated sugar until the mixture is light and fluffy, which usually takes about 3 minutes. Gradually add the eggs one at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, alternate adding the dry and wet ingredients, starting and ending with the dry. Once your cake is baked and cooling, it's time to create that irresistible lemon glaze. In a medium bowl, whisk together 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. Mix until the glaze is completely smooth and has a pourable consistency. If it's too thick, add a tiny bit more lemon juice. If too thin, add a little more powdered sugar. Once the cake is completely cool, pour the glaze evenly over the top. After glazing, let the cake sit for at least 15 minutes to allow the glaze to set properly. This ensures a beautiful, firm topping. Once set, slice your delicious lemon cake into generous portions. You can garnish each slice with a fresh lemon slice or a sprinkle of extra lemon zest for an elegant touch. This cake is perfect for any occasion, from a casual get-together to a special celebration. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.